Hi guys, today is double treble day, or if you're using American terms, it's treble day. Once again, I'm working this sample using the traditional turning chain method, and again, if you'd like more of a detailed explanation on turning chains, or you'd simply like to explore the alternate method, have a look at my video on turning chains. The double treble has 4 turning chains to get the height. So we're going to work into the 5th chain from the hook. Wrap your hook twice and go into your 5th chain from the hook. Yarn over again and pull up a loop. Yarn over, and we're pulling through the first 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Moving on to the next chain, we wrap our hook twice, go into that next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over through the first 2, yarn over through the second 2, and yarn over and through the last 2. That's our double treble. Now, as I said earlier, we need 4 turning chains for this one. So chain your 4, turn your work, and same as before, this turning chain now takes up the space of our first double treble stitch. So we're not going to work into this stitch here, we're going into the second one. So yarn over twice into that second stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, and yarn over through 2. And once again, if you've watched my other videos, you'll know this turning chain is now counted as 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There is a double treble.